Hi everyone, welcome to Pedal the Cause, Taste the Cause Chef Series sponsored by True Refrigeration. My name is Ryan Hux. I'm the senior GM of the two Shake Shacks here in the St. Louis area. Shake Shack's mission has always been to stand for something good. In fact, we started as a hot dog cart with the purpose of supporting an art project in Madison Park. With those humble beginnings, we continued to be active members within our communities. From the charitable partnership we have with Forest Park Forever to providing meals for healthcare workers and first responders during these unprecedented times, our commitment to giving back to our community remains very strong. We've done this through fitness as well. We've partnered with a number of different fitness classes to pair our delicious food as a reward for the calories you burn. There's nothing that says a burger chain can't promote an active lifestyle. Pedal the Cause has raised over $29 million since 2010 in their efforts to achieve a world without cancer. So becoming a part of the Pedal the Cause community was very much in line with our mission. The idea of fighting cancer while encouraging fitness through cycling is something I'm proud to support. Last year, we were lucky enough to participate in the Taste the Cause event, as well as have a team of riders for Pedal the Cause, which included my 4-year-old son and 7-year-old nephew. I am personally looking forward to Pedal the Cause being an annual tradition in my personal life and my professional one. This year's inspired Pedal the Cause event will be on September 26th and 27th. If you have a little one that's as active as mine, they can also get involved, including a car parade, which will be on September 12th. 100% of the funds raised during Pedal the Cause go to Siteman Cancer Center and Siteman Kids in St. Louis Children's Center. It's a $50 registration, and you can walk, run, or do any other fitness event that motivates you. Come out to Shake Shack on August 7th, and we will be donating 5% of all proceeds to Pedal the Cause. And then lastly, you can go to pedalthecause.org for more information. Because we can't gather for Taste the Cause this year, we want to share a recipe with you to make your Pedal the Cause weekend a little more tasty. So in honor of our hot dog roots, I wanted to share with you one of my all-time favorite Shake Shack menu items. It's our take on the Chicago-style hot dog, the Shack Aggo Dog. This is a great item for a September weekend of cycling and just enjoying being outside. It's simple, it's loaded with fresh ingredients, and it's fun to eat. It's a little messy, but that's part of the fun. I'm going to show you how to recreate this item from home so that you can enjoy it throughout the rest of the year as well. Remember to get out there, ride, stay safe, and help us achieve a world without cancer. And thank you again to True Refrigeration for sponsoring.
All right, guys, so for ingredients, we're using 100% Vienna beef hot dog. Comes from Vienna beef. We're using a Martin's potato roll, yellow mustard, a dill pickle spear, celery salt, unsalted butter, sport pepper, a Roma plum tomato, white Spanish onion, and Rick's Picks relish. We're gonna heat our skillet over medium-high heat. We're gonna put a little bit of butter into the pan. Once the butter's melted, toast the inside of the bun inside of the skillet. While you're toasting that bun, you want to butterfly your hot dog. So you're going to cut it down the middle. You don't want to go all the way through, but you want to cut it deep enough to be able to then open it up so it can lay flat. Once we get a nice little toast on there, we're gonna put the hot dog in, cut side down, and use the spatula to just give it a little pat. What we're looking for is a good sear on the inside of that hot dog. So once we get a good sear on the inside, we're gonna flip it over and just do the same thing to the back side. Now we're gonna transfer that over to the bun. And we are okay with it laying flat open like that. All right, so now we're gonna build our hot dog. We're gonna start with the yellow mustard, and we're gonna put a line on either side. Next, we wanna put a pickle spear on top. We're gonna put a tablespoon of white onion. We have our tomatoes sliced. We're going to then cut it in half down the center. Make a little S shape. We want to take our sport peppers and just slide them in the end. Finish it off with a pinch of celery salt. And that is our Chicago style hot dog.